Hi guys, welcome to another episode with Government Pro. On today's tutorials, I'll be teaching how to create a website for yourself or for your business. Have you ever dreamt of getting a website like this? Or even better? One of the few reasons why I trust each and everyone here to get a website is simply because it ensures efficiency and accessibility. So stay tuned and enjoy.
So the first thing you need to do is to open a web browser, okay? Either Yahoo, Bing, Google, Mozilla Firefox, or any type of web browser, okay? And search for Pro Free Host. After searching for Pro Free Host, you click on the first link that appears. Okay, so you select register now. Okay, register now. And then you enter your email address. So let's go. So you enter your password. Alright, so after entering your password, you click on this button. Great, so what Proof Free Host will send an activation link to your email address, okay? So they will send you an activation mail. Okay guys, so you go to your mails and then you open Pro Free Host account activation. Alright, so you see activate account with a green background and then you click on it. Then you click on the type of web browser you want to use. Okay, so let's use Safari here. Alright, so we can see a message sent that your account has been successfully done. Okay, so right now we have our account done. So our accounts have now been verified. Alright guys, so on this page you enter a name for your website. Okay, you enter a name for your website and then you get a free domain. Okay, so a domain is simply a distinct subset of the internet with addresses sharing a common suffix. Okay, so you need to get a free one here. If you need a custom one, you need to pay, but with this one we're dealing with a free website creation. Okay, so we need a free one. So you enter attractive name for your website as stated here. So let's enter one. Alright, so if it's available, the domain that is .unaux.com will give you a notification that the name of your website is available. Okay, so you click here. Verify. Alright, so we are in now. We now have our website, our domain name for our website here. Okay, so we can now start building our website. So you click on manage. Great, so you click on creating. Alright, so they've given us a notification and we need to refresh page after some minutes. So let's refresh it. Okay guys, so this is where we start creating our website. Okay, so you scroll down to software. Okay, software, and you click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Click on it. Alright, so it opens a new page. So you see WordPress and Joomla. So you select WordPress and then you click on install. Okay guys, so on this page we will be now dealing with WordPress. Okay, we're now dealing with WordPress. So WordPress will require the name of your site. So you enter the name of your site. Great. So you describe your site. That's your site description. Okay. So what you're using your site for, content that you'll be placing on your site. Yeah, that's one of the site description. Alright, so you come here and then you enter a username and a password in which only you can use it to access the website after you've created it. Okay, so you enter a username and a password. Alright, so you have our email here already. So in case you are in any other country, okay, so you select the official language for your country. So mine is English, so I'll select English. Great. Okay, so you click on install. And so you wait for it to install. Great, so after installation you receive a notification from WordPress that your software was installed successfully. Okay, so you will click on this link. Alright, this link. Okay, this link. Click on it. Okay guys, so this is how our new website looks like. Okay, so we are now about to do some editings for it to look just like the pro. Okay, so you click on the web address here and then you enter /wp -admin. Okay, and you click on reload. Great, so they will require the username and password for WordPress. So the one that we did earlier on. So we need to type it here. Okay guys, so on this page, as you can see, we are logged into our WordPress page. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and this is where you have your appearance, your plugins, users, and the tools necessary for you to customize your site. Okay, so one thing I like about WordPress is that you don't have to start building your site from the scratch. Okay, you can choose an already created one and edit it just the way you want it to be. Okay, but before that, we need to install a theme called Astra. Okay, so you click on appearance, click on themes. Alright, so you click on add new theme and then you search for Astra. It's already here, but if yours isn't here, you click here and search. Okay, there we have. So you click on install to install Astra. Alright, so after installing Astra, you click on activate. Alright, so we now have Astra here. So they have given us a notification that thank you for installing Astra. So you click on get started. Alright, great. So on this page, you have Gutenberg, Elementor, Beaver Builder, and Breezy. Okay, so in this tutorial we are using Elementor, so you click on Elementor. Great. So you can see we have various kinds of designs here. Okay, so this is for an adventure. If you want to make a website that talks about, or the content is about an adventure, you have this one. If you want to create a website in which the content is about food, you have this one. So you have varieties of designs you can choose from. Okay, varieties of them. So assuming I want this one, I just click on it. Alright guys, so after selecting import from site, click next. Alright, so we receive a notification that our site has been imported successfully. Okay, so after that, we click on view site. Click on view site. View. So we now have the website here. It's now time to edit it to make it look exactly how you want it to be. Okay. So you can see home, all courses. Alright, you can see about, contact, and my account. Okay. So in order to edit it to make it look exactly how you want it to be, you need to select edit Elementor from this menu bar. Okay. Click on edit with Elementor, click on site settings. So suppose you want to change the name here, just highlight it. Alright, so it has now been highlighted. So that's here. Just click here. From the edit image box, click here and delete it. Alright, so as I delete it, you can see it from display that it is deleted. Alright, so you enter the title of the site. So let's say welcome to tutorials. Alright, so welcome to Primitive Tutorials is now the title of our website. Okay, so assuming you want to also edit or change the description, just click here and select it. Click on delete. It has now been deleted. So when you come to the edit image box, you can see that your description is now empty. So you just click, just type the description, okay, how you want to, the content, the type of content for your site, and then how your site is, or what the site is mainly about. Okay, so you just type the description. So I'll type like, share, subscribe. Let's say you want to change this image right here. Just click on it and then click here. Click on choose image right here. So as we want to upload it from our file, just click next file, open your files. Alright, so you select any image or video. So it is compatible with videos and images. So you cannot check the image. Alright. You want to do this one. Just click on upload. So you can give it a title. Alright, here is already, you can change the title of this image too. and you click on insert video. Great, so we can see that the image that was previously here has been changed. Alright, so if you want to add more features or edit more, you can scroll down to the page to with the full go down general page, general for this one. Okay. This is what we want to use to show items. Okay guys, so if you want to add more pages, templates as well as blogs to your site, you just come here and then you click here. Alright, so you have varieties of pages, blogs and templates to choose from. Okay, so you just select the one you want and then you click insert and it will automatically appear on your website. Alright, so that's how to create a website. Okay, so right now anyone that has your web address can access your website completely. Okay. Alright guys, so I decided to cross check it on my phone to see if it will work. Okay, so let's check it out. Alright, so there it is. Let's click on it. There we go. We can see that we have it right here, right here, right here, right here. Exactly. So we have our website done, and it looks exactly like a professional website. Okay, there we go.